This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to show you two ways to do a credit note. One way is through actually issuing a credit note, and the other way is just if it's a smaller thing that needs to be reimbursed, just doing it through a negative line item. So to do a credit note, you can click this Add Anywhere button here, select New Credit, or from the transaction page you can go Add Expense, New Credit. Select the horse that you need to add the credit against. The owners will pop up there. Select what it's for. Select the amount. Select where the credit note needs to go against. And that bit there is totally up to you and how you manage your accounts. Once that's done, you can see that the amounts that will be credited to each owner. You can put in the source of the credit, any reference number if it relates to an invoice or other credit note, and then you simply click Save. You see there that there's now a $100 credit note for Bonanna, and if you go into owner cost, you'll see down here that there's that credit note which is pending for the owner. So in that case, when you do your statement run, that $40 will come off the bill, the invoices, and it'll show up in the statement as a credit note. The other way you can do it is same sort of way. You can do it through here or through adding expense, and that's just adding a new expense. So select the horse, or whatever the case may be, and you can put it in as a negative amount. And click Save. So you can see here that the result is actually the same, but one of them just creates a negative amount that will come off the total bill. The other one creates an actual credit note. So it really depends on how you want to do it. If it's a significant reimbursement or credit note, then we'd recommend probably doing it via the credit note. If it's just a small charge that you need to give back, then probably a negative expense is the way to go. But completely up to you. Talk to your financial advisor about the best way to do it. But those are the two key ways to run with credit notes.